Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little
Aynen.
Choptank River, Tangier Sound, and the inland waters surrounding Bloodfield Island until 4:30 p.m. At 2:54 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Taylor's Island, moving southeast at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and strong hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Taylor's Island, Congo River, Fishing Bay, James Island, Pittsburgh Cliffs, Northbrook River mouth, Hill Island, and all of Chesapeake Beach. The National Weather Service forecast for the Philadelphia metropolitan